So let's try this pakora.
Chef Marc,
Yes.
how do you say in beautiful people in Hindi?
Namaste,
Sungando.
If you have never tried pakora before in your life, guys, this dish is an absolute must. You are not going to believe how simple and easy this recipe is. You guys are ready to try and learn how to make this beautiful pakora dish? So the original one is basically made with onions, but the one that we're gonna make, it have a mix of vegetables, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Every people like vegetable.
Whatever you guys have in the chiller, you can use it, all right? All sorts of vegetables. There's no issue with that. You're not supposed to go and buy those specific vegetables that we're gonna talk about. The ingredients that we need for this crunchy pakora: cauliflower, capsicum, potatoes, onions, eggplants, mushrooms, dried chili. The masala that we're gonna use. Chef, what is masala? Can you explain to them what is masala exactly?
Masala is like onion, coriander,
But
chili.
masala,
chili
so
powder.
it's all, if you want the spices that you basically have, right?
Yes.
For this recipe, we are gonna use chili powder, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, coriander powder, chaat masala, turmeric, cumin powder, and salt. The secret of making the pakora more crispy, rice flour that's gonna give it more crispiness,
more crispy.
and as well the chickpea flour is gonna give it crispiness as well, right, chef?
Yes, sir.
All right, and as well, we are gonna flavor it with a bit of ginger and garlic. You are not gonna believe how simple and easy this recipe is. It is gonna take you only 10 minutes to make it, right, chef?
Yes.
It is so
Only,
easy.
Yeah, very easy.
To make this beautiful pakora, crispy and crunchy dish, at first, we're gonna need a bowl, and then we're gonna add all the vegetables inside, and then we're gonna add the chickpea flour, the rice flour, dried chili, chili powder, the fine chopped garlic, fine chopped ginger, the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, coriander powder, and the rest of the masala, right, chef?
Yes.
And by the way, if you don't like too much chili or don't like spicy food, you can remove the dried chili and the chili powder, and you can easily make it as well, right, chef? Then at the end, we're gonna add a bit of water. Be careful, while adding the water, you're not supposed to add a lot of water. You do not want the mixture to be very wet. So the mixture, while adding the water, is supposed to be a bit thick. It's like making a batter. We're gonna mix them very slowly and very gently. So you're basically making the batter while mixing all the vegetables, the masala. YouTubers, in my opinion, you should not remove any of the masala that we talk about, because this is what gives all those beautiful aromas and fragrance. Correct, chef?
Yes, sir.
So in a wok, we're gonna add the oil, we're gonna add the batter by using our hands, or the safe way by using the spoon, and we're gonna fry them until all of them are golden brown. A very important tip: when you're not sure when the oil is hot, you need to add a bit of batter. If it floats on the top after 2 seconds, it means the oil is hot enough. It's such a simple recipe, and it's really, I can really feel the aromas when you fry it, because it have a lot of nice smells. You know, you're feeling all the masala, the ground cumin, and all those stuff. It's just beautiful. So for all of you who doesn't like fried food, you can as well bake it in the same time. It's still not gonna be that crispy, but it is gonna be very flavorful. Oh my God, they look so crunchy and delicious. Chef, you serve usually the pakora with which sauce or dip in general?
Chutney.
Chutney.
Yes.
So you have a mint chutney you
Mint
can serve it
chutney,
with.
yes.
Chef, what do you think? It's gonna be good?
Very good, sir.
All right, so let's try this pakora. Oh my God. It's so good. Very crispy, very crunchy. Oh my God, that's really a beautiful snack. They're fried, of course, but I don't really feel that they're very heavy. And you can really feel all the aromas and masalas. And by the way, me, I like it spicy. If you don't like spicy, again, you can remove all the chili from it. If you have never tried pakora before in your life, guys, this dish is an absolute must.
पकोड़ा है बहुत अच्छा है, ट्राई करो, बहुत मजा आ रहा है। ओफ, मजा ही मजा।